The Vehicle to Home app allows you to monitor your real-time backup power use. Let's take a look at setting up and using the app.
Okay, so just the first time we ever do this, we need to set up the network configuration, so we'll hit that.
We're going to hit Initialize Bluetooth and then Search Devices.
When you see your device there, you just hit Connect. Okay, now we need to enter the Wi-Fi and password. Now it is case sensitive, so make sure you type in the Wi-Fi and password correctly, including caps lock. And then hit Send. Says it's successful. Now we can hit Collapse. And here's what you would normally do to start. You would just open the app and then hit Enter the home page. So then once it's loaded, this is kind of the main screen here, and this will show the voltage, the power you're using. It's going to show you your 240 and 120 volts, including leg 1 and leg 2. So very simple, very straightforward, nice and bold. There's also an info screen here where you can go in and get details, including there's temperature sensors and some other information in here. Detailed stuff, but most of the time you're just going to be looking at this. And then besides showing you how much power you're using, the other big important thing here is the cutoff, and this is for the vehicle battery. So you want to, of course, make sure that you don't run the car all the way down to nothing by accident. You wouldn't want that, of course. So with this cutoff, you can set it to pretty much whatever you want, so that if you're just drawing power continuously, you don't attend the system at all, anything like that, it's still going to have a reserve in the car of whatever you set this to, 10, 20, 25, 50%, whatever it is you want to use. So of course you can still drive your car afterwards, still have something left in the tank, if you will. And the lowest it'll let me go is down to 10%. So there's no way you can use this setup to completely drain your car.
Now let's take a look at the app while the inverter is actively powering my entire home.
Yeah, so okay, so we can see we're 4,600 watts. Vehicles at 50%. Got our cutoff set to 12. Take that up to like 20. Okay. There we go, 20% for the cutoff. Yeah, so I mean 4,600 watts, that's well within what the inverter can do. We're outputting 228 volts. DC bus, 362, that's cool. That's basically just, that's straight off your battery. We have A-phase voltage, A-phase current power voltage. Cool.
And lastly, let's just take a quick look at monitoring a single appliance in real time.
So we've got the display on the app. Right now we're only pulling about 1,500 watts in the whole house, but let's turn on this electric boiler. And instantly jumping up 1,300 watts. And last time I measured this, I did realize it was 1,300 watts for the boiler. Now that water was already hot, and that's why it's boiling so quickly.
So the app lets you monitor your power use, check your car's state of charge, and perhaps most importantly, set that low state of charge cutoff so your car can never run out of power. I hope you like these videos, and until next time, stay charged up.